The first 6 months of your baby's life are a crucial time for growth, brain development, and building a strong immune system. Feeding your baby the right way during this stage lays the foundation for lifelong health. Whether you are a first-time parent or simply looking for reassurance, understanding baby feeding basics can make this journey smoother and more confident. For the first 6 months, breast milk is considered the best source of nutrition for babies. It provides the perfect balance of nutrients, antibodies, and hydration that your baby needs. If breastfeeding is not possible, infant formula recommended by a pediatrician is a safe and healthy alternative. During this period, babies do not need water, juices, or solid foods, as breast milk or formula already meets all their nutritional needs. Newborns usually feed every 2 to 3 hours, including during the night. As your baby grows, feeding intervals may gradually increase. Always look for hunger cues rather than following a strict schedule. Common hunger signs include sucking on hands, smacking lips, rooting, or becoming more alert and active. Crying is often a late sign of hunger, so it's best to feed your baby before they become upset. Proper feeding position is also very important. Hold your baby close, ensuring their head and neck are well supported. If breastfeeding, make sure your baby latches correctly to avoid discomfort and ensure efficient milk transfer. For bottle feeding, keep the bottle tilted so the nipple is always full of milk, which helps reduce air intake and prevents gas. Burping your baby after feeding helps release trapped air and reduces discomfort. You can gently pat or rub your baby's back while holding them upright or placing them over your shoulder. Some babies may need to burp during feeding, while others do fine after finishing. Many parents wonder when to introduce solid foods, but experts recommend waiting until around 6 months of age. Introducing solids too early can increase the risk of digestive issues and allergies. Signs that your baby is ready for solids include good head control, sitting with support, and showing interest in food. During the first 6 months, focus on creating a calm and comforting feeding environment. Avoid distractions, maintain eye contact, and respond to your baby's needs with patience. Feeding time is not just about nutrition, it's also about bonding, emotional security, and trust. Finally, remember that every baby is unique. Growth patterns, feeding frequency, and preferences may vary. Regular pediatric checkups will help ensure your baby is growing well and getting proper nutrition. Trust your instincts, stay informed, and enjoy these precious early months of nurturing and connection.